Today, we're going to take a look at my top 5 low market cap gems going into 2023. Figured this would be a good time to do this video going into the new year. Let's take a look. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, I like to cover a variety of different projects on this channel. From the real degen projects with high risk, to blue chips with a lot lower risk, to low market cap gems that could possibly do a 25 to 50x in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video. I'd really appreciate it. Nothing in this video or on this channel is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. If there are any projects that you think that should be on this list that are not, please make sure you leave them in the comments. I did not include any AI crypto projects, artificial intelligence crypto projects on this list. There might be a couple that should be, maybe, but I'm actually researching those now. I know those are going to be a big part of the next bull market, so I'm definitely not going to leave those out. I will be doing AI videos very soon in the future. We're going to take a look at number 5 is Loop Network. Loop Network is super scalable and it's EVM compatible, Ethereum virtual machine compatible. There are some options for staking on Loop, and that's under the Loop Swap farms and pools. I'm in the Loop BNB currently. I do have a video I'll link in the description of this video that shows exactly how to get into this. Let's take a look at the pricing and the tokenomics of Loop really quick. The price right now is under 2 cents. It's gotten above 6 cents this year. That was back in September, October. And the maximum supply is 200 million. And the total supply circulating currently is 180.6. The market cap is super low at 3.786, or just went up a little bit, 3.795 million. We take a look at, which is rounded up to 4, to get to 100 million divided by 4, that'd be a 25x to 100 million. So that could do that pretty easily, especially in a bull run. 200 million would be a 50x. I think this has a lot of potential and it's very undervalued. In my opinion, the 6 cents where it got up to, that's a 3x from here. So what I'm doing is I'm farming the Loop BNB, and then I'm swapping the rewards tokens, which is the LSwap token, for more Loop, and then I'm pairing it with more BNB. I'm just kind of just accumulating for now. Once we get into a bull market, if Loop goes up, 25x is not out of the question. My number 4 low market cap gem project is Casper Network. I got into this about a month ago. I did make a video on it showing how to set up the wallet and how to stake the tokens. I think it's a really good blockchain for the future. It's basically doing what Ethereum 3.0 wants to do, but it's already doing it. I just think it's a really good project overall. There is some people that don't like the way the tokenomics work, because it does inflate 8% year over year, the total supply, but it would take 10 years to double the total supply. Casper does have the highest market cap of the projects that I'm covering today at $305.1 million in market cap, but still, that's fairly low considering the all-time high of this coin is $1.36. So from its current state at $1.36 divided by 0.028, that's almost a 50x. It would do just to go back to its all-time high from the previous bull market. And I'm staking mine, and you're getting a 10.66% APY staking. So I think it's a really good project. I want to add to this. Anytime it gets below 2.5 cents, I want to add a little bit to my stake. Coming in at number 3 are actually two projects. They're very similar, GNS Network and MetaVault Trade. They are both trading platforms, decentralized trading platforms, where you can trade derivatives for very low fees. I've used MetaVault Trade. I have not used GNS Network yet to actually trade. MetaVault, you can trade Matic with Matic tokens, which is cool. And GNS, you have to use DAI, stablecoin, to trade. There are staking on both, and I am doing staking on both of them. There's a GNS pool, and there's also a LP pool where you pair your GNS with DAI tokens. There's also a staking platform on MetaVault Trade where you can stake your MVX tokens and earn yield, as well as you can make LP with different tokens. I believe there's you can add liquidity to multiple tokens: Matic, ETH, Bitcoin, BUSD, DAI, USDT. There's a bunch of them you can add liquidity to, and you can earn yield that way. So both of these projects are really good in my opinion. I have not used GNS Network as a trading platform yet. I plan to in the future, but both of these end up being my number 3 project. I couldn't pick which one, so I included both. We take a look at the pricing and the tokenomics on the two. GNS has a much higher market cap. It's at 108.73. The total supply is 30.291 million tokens. And if we go to MVX, it's got a much lower market cap. It's all the way down at 3.196 million, and the total supply currently is 4 million. The max supply is 10 million. So a lot of room to grow for both tokens, but for sure MetaVault Trade has a long way to go. It looks like they both look like very good projects, and they could do definitely a 25x in a bull market, in my opinion. I think decentralized trading platforms are the future, and why not get into some of these now? I'm not sure which ones are going to be the best in the future, but these are a couple of good ones that are going today. They're both on the Matic network. So number 3 is MetaVault Trade and GNS. I couldn't pick between the two, so I just included both. My number 2 low market cap gem project is Morpheus Network. If you haven't seen my video, check it out. I'll leave it in the description where I explain exactly what it does. It's a supply chain powered by a blockchain. So they're basically tracking all kinds of different supply chains through a blockchain. Really, unfortunately, I can't get into the nodes because I live in the United States, fortunately, but that doesn't, I'm definitely going to hold some of their tokens anyway. Hopefully, eventually we can get around that, and United States citizens can run nodes for Morpheus. That would be amazing, but at the current time, we cannot. If we take a look at the tokenomics, they're really low market cap, in my opinion, for this great project. 53.4 million, the current market cap. The max supply is 47.8 million tokens. This could do an easy 50x, in my opinion. $1.13 is way undervalued. I was able to get into this project early. It was, I think, under 50 cents when I did my first video on this project. Yeah, I think it was around 45 to 50 cents when I did my first video on Morpheus Network. So yeah, an easy 25x to go to $25. That would be really easy in a bull market. I think this is going to do very well, and I think they'll be around for a very long time. Great project, tons of utility. This is my number 2 low market cap gem. I think this will do amazing in the next bull market. And my number 1 low market cap gem, which I cannot believe it's a low market cap gem, is Consolation Network DAG token. I just can't believe on here it says $105.3 million market cap. If you go to coinmarketcap.com, it says it's 50.6. I'm not sure what to believe on this, but either way, if it's that fully diluted is 147, 50.6 is the market cap. And if we go to their website, it's 105.3. So I don't know. I just can't believe it's this low. This should be 5 times that. The amount of utility that DAG token will have in the future, and already does have, with the government contracts, with the military, and just more contracts coming up. When they start having these state channels launching on the network, it's just going to have more utility because the DAG token is going to be used more often. So this is easily my number one. Staking is coming out where you can do partial staking. You don't have to do a full soft node. So I'm going to be definitely taking part of that. And that I do have a video I'll leave in the description of how the staking is going to work. And it's on January 1st when it starts. And the staking is going to be on Lattice. So lattice.is, that's where it's going to be, just like where the soft nodes are. As far as I know, that's where it's going to be. They haven't put anything on here or posted anything for the future on here yet. As soon as I find out about that, I'll definitely let you guys know. But yeah, DAG's one of my bigger holdings, and I'm going to continue to add to it. And staking's great. Getting any type of reward for a project this with this much utility is definitely a bonus. Whenever I find low market cap gems, I try to do a video on them before the price pumps up. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and throw the notifications on so you get those videos as soon as possible. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.